Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. In the previous lectures we had discussed about the locators in the selenium. Now we will be going to discuss about the action versus actions in selenium. So, action contains a collection of different individual actions that we want to perform on the web elements. Action is basically an interface which helps us to represent the user interactions to perform a series of actions. Actions is a class that is based on the builder design pattern. So here what we have seen the difference is that the action is the interface while the actions is the class that is based on the builder design pattern. So in order to use the action and the actions, first of all we need to import the packages. Then we need to make the object of action class. Also we have various methods for the action class, though we will be studying these methods in the next lecture, but still I want to give you a glimpse of these methods once. Just like, first of all we have to import the package that comes under the selenium.interaction.actions, and the other package is selenium.interactions.action. Then we have to make the object of the actions class. Actions act equals to new actions, and in the braces we need to give the object of WebDriver, means driver. Okay, now let's take the example that I need to enter some uppercase letters in a text box. So we have some keyboard related methods in the action class. Those methods basically are key down, send keys, and key up. So basically, as we can see that the key down method is basically used to press the shift key, then the send keys are used to send the text in the text box, and key up is used to release the shift key. Okay, shift key is just an example. Basically key up means to release a modifier key, a modifier. Okay, so what is the syntax here in order to send the text in the text box in the uppercase? So here the syntax is the object of the actions class dot key down, and here we need to write the element and keys dot shift. It's the syntax that if we want to press any key like shift or control, then we need to write the keys dot shift dot send keys dot key up, and here we again write keys dot shift. Okay, so then we will write this method. This method is for the time being not the complete method, because if we want all the three functions in one line, then we need to write build and perform. So how can we do that? First of all, we need to make the object of action. Action, let's say action A equals to new action. Sorry, action A equals to actions dot build. Action is an interface, so we can't make the object of action class. So here A is the reference of the action interface. So the here actions means the object of action class. You can write act here dot build. Then what we have to write, A dot perform. Okay, so here we can see that we have used both the actions and the action class in order to send the keys to the uppercase to the text box. We can also use the method only perform without using build method. The main fact here is that the perform method is also the method of the actions class and also the method of the action interface. So what is the difference between the two? Basically the main difference is that the perform in the actions class calls the build method inside it. So if we don't want to perform the actions using the build class, so we can only write this. Wait. So what we can write? We can write this and dot perform. Here we have used perform with the object of actions class. It means that perform method is calling the build method inside it. So we can also use this syntax or we can use this whole syntax. Okay, so in this video what we have learned that difference between the action and actions, and as well as what is the difference between the perform method in the action and the perform method in the actions. So I hope you are more clear about these terms. So guys, stay tuned for the next video and goodbye.